we are going to learn how to create a LaTeX document. If you want to produce a highly professional and scientific document, then LaTeX is the best choice. For example, if you have to write a project report, a thesis, or a research paper, then you should choose LaTeX. While using LaTeX, you just need to focus on the content of the document and let the program handle how the output will look like. It is flexible to use. LaTeX provides us easier way to use or format equations, figures, bibliographies and tables with the help of many packages. Here you can see that I have searched for MikTex download. It is a software which we will use for LaTeX. You can open the link from here. Here is option for multiple operating systems. I am using Windows. You can download the setup from this button. Click it. Now you can install the setup.